If you've ever entered a Temu coupon code and thought, why didn't that work? This video is for you. Most people skip one important step, and that's why their discount never shows up. Before we start, I've put the working Temu coupon code on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment so you can follow along. Here's how to apply it properly. Step 1, click the first link in the description. This step matters because it activates the coupon on your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code. Scan it if you're on your phone. If you're on desktop, you'll see a code you can enter manually. Once you do that, go back to the Temu app. Open your profile and tap on coupons. You should now see the coupon sitting there, ready to use. Next, add items to your cart like normal. At checkout, tap available coupons and manually select the coupon you activated. This is the step most people miss. If you don't select it, Temu won't apply the discount even if the code is valid. Once selected, your total will drop instantly. That's all there is to it. Use the code on screen, follow these steps, and you should see the savings right away. If it works for you, drop a comment and let me know how much you saved. Upload finals.